In this video, I'll show you how to get Discord on your PS5. Very easy. So the first thing we need to do is to go into the settings menu on the top right corner. And you need to select users and accounts. Go down and select linked services. And from here, Discord should be the second option on the screen. Click on it. Then you're going to click on link, the lower button there, accept and continue. Now there's two ways on how this can be done. First of all, you can scan with your phone this QR code that is here. Okay, it will bring you on the Discord website and you'll have to type the code that is on the right side. This is how you can sign in your Discord account. Okay, it's very easy on your phone. If you don't want to use your phone, or maybe you don't even have a phone, select use browser instead. Okay, click here, wait. And on your PS5, you're gonna have this screen where you can type your email here or phone number associated with your Discord account, type the password and click logged in. If you don't have a Discord account, I suggest you create one on a computer because it's much easier than to go over here and click register where you'll be able to create one. It's much more complicated since you cannot type much with this controller. Once you've done this, okay, once you're logged in, we're not done yet. You need to go back in the settings. You need to go back in users and accounts. And from here, go in privacy. Once you're in privacy, choose the first option, view and customize. Go down and here, who can see your friends? You need to select anyone. So this needs to be on selected anyone, and then you'll be able to use your Discord. Okay, because you'll be logged in, and on your main page of your PS5, you should see Discord and over there and use it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.